Hello everyone, welcome to Free Learning School. Today we will see few famous quotes by Henry Ford. Henry Ford was born in July 30, 1863 and died in April 7, 1947. He was an American industrialist and a business magnate, the founder of the Ford Motor Company and the sponsor of the development of the assembly line technique of mass production. Let's see his few famous quotes. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you are right. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. Failure is only the opportunity more intelligently to begin again. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goals. Vision without execution is just hallucination. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. Any customer can have a car painted any color that he wants so long as it is black. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. It has been my observation that most people get ahead during the time that others waste. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Chop your own wood and it will warm you twice. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. If you always do what you have always done, you will always get what you have always got. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.